Okay, class, go ahead and take your seats. I know, Mr. Johnson is not here today, but we're just gonna have to get through it. You know, they reached out and I was available today, so I'm who you're gonna have to work with, alright? Hey, you're a little late. How about you go ahead and take a seat for me, okay? Alright, class. So, I understand that Mr. Johnson was discussing something about the square root of mystery numbers. Yeah? Okay. Alright, well, so they didn't really give me the work plan for that, so we're actually just going to shuffle a little cards. And I want you guys to guess which card it's going to be, okay? Perfect. So I'm just going to go ahead and shuffle them a little bit. Yeah, Tommy, I'm actually not sure why Mr. Johnson wasn't able to come in today. They said that he was out late at night the other day, and I don't know, something about him encountering a strange person, and now he's afraid to come out into the light. I don't know, maybe he was sunburned or something, I'm not sure. But you guys are here with me, so it's fine, right? We'll have us a little fun. Shuffle a little cards. And now, which deck do you think I should go with? This one or this one? Gotcha. Alright, so just gonna move those around just a little bit. And go ahead. Oh. My nails, don't mind those. Go ahead and pick a card for me. Okay. Now, which card do you believe that you have? Is it the Ace of Spades, the Five of Clubs, or the Four of Clovers? Okay. Now let's see. Go ahead and pick another card for me. Alright. Now is this the Five of Spades, the Three of Spades, or the Three of Hearts? Gotcha. Alright, now we're gonna do one more and then we can go on to a lesson plan or whatever. Go ahead and pick for me. Okay, last one. Is it the Queen of Hearts, the Eight of Clovers, or the King of Hearts? And the answer is King of Hearts. Alright, so now we're gonna go ahead and look into our books, okay? They should all be on your desk, so go ahead and open it up to page 17. That's what we're gonna go with, okay? Now, I want you all to look at the second paragraph and tell me the second line. What does it say? Okay. Yeah, so now I want you guys to go. I want you guys to go to the fifth paragraph and tell me what the second letter is. Oh my gosh. Does someone have on perfume? Are you wearing perfume? Oh my gosh. Is someone eating something? You're eating some. What did you eat? Garlic fries? Oh boy. Okay. Yeah, no problem at all. So I'm just gonna sit back just a little bit. How long have you been eating those? You just opened up your book bag to get them? How about you close that? You close that up for me, alright? Close it right now. No. I don't have to give you a reason. Just go ahead and close that up for me. How about that? Okay. Okay, now class, you're gonna go ahead and go to the 5th chapter and read that to each other. Read that to your partners, okay? Okay, yeah. What does it say? Where did you get those fries from? What was your order exactly? Okay, you got extra garlic. Alright, so actually, can you just go ahead and throw those out for me outside of the classroom? Because I said so. How about you just go ahead and throw those out? You do that for me, okay? These people are trying to kill me. No, I'm I guess what you could call allergic to garlic. Yeah, I'm a bit allergic. It doesn't really sit well with me. Okay. No. I know it wasn't your fault. You didn't know. Just throw it out. Thank you. Okay. What'd you say? You said, Mr. Johnson, why isn't he able to go out in the sunlight again? Yeah, I thought I made that pretty clear. I said he may have been sunburned or something. Well, yeah, he did say that he met a strange person. Clearly, I mean, that strange person wasn't me, so, I mean, I think I'm pretty normal. Yeah, he just said that he wouldn't be able to make it in. Well, yeah, that's what the principal said. The principal said that he wouldn't be able to make it in. Yeah, it's not like he can't control his thirst or anything. That would be odd. Yeah. Sunburned, dehydrated. You know, it's pretty common. You kids have to get outside more, you'd understand. Yeah. Oh, why am I dressed like this? Oh, well. I love a good nighttime look. It's timeless, you know? You can wear it now, 100 years ago, 200 years before that. You know, it's just timeless. It's beautiful. I love it. Well, obviously, I don't know exactly what they were wearing back then, but I mean, come on, guys. We're in school right now. We talked about fashion a lot. Not me in this classroom, but you've learned about the different fashion styles throughout the periods. Yeah. Yeah, so I love me a good black dress, black jewelry, silver jewelry. It's really white gold, but yeah. Silver? No. Me and silver, we kind of have a love-hate relationship, but I do like the look of it. You know, it's pretty beautiful, don't you think? But I would like to consider myself more of a white gold person. I definitely love gold. It is a lot less irritating to my skin. So I just find myself going into all the little shops and pestering the owners about whether or not it's white gold or silver, just to make sure that I'm not putting myself in danger, putting myself at risk of having an allergic reaction, you know? So it's pretty important to me. Yeah, I do seem to have quite a bit of allergies, don't you think? Yeah. Well, at least I'm not allergic to sunlight anymore. No, I didn't mean that. I don't mean anymore. I mean in general, you know, it's... Stop asking questions. Anyway, why are we so sidetracked? We're talking about my outfits, we're talking about allergic reactions, we're talking about your teacher. You guys, I know I'm the substitute, but we are supposed to be getting a bit of work done today. How about that? So I want you to go ahead and look in the left-hand corner of your notebooks, right? And I want you to go ahead and draw just a little phrase. A little phrase is all. That's it. I want you to go ahead and write down Y O U R E. Don't forget the apostrophe before the R. I N V I T E D. Next word. Don't think about it, just go with the flow, okay? T O. Next word. M Y. Next word. H O U S E. Period. Okay? Now, at the top of that paper, I want you to go ahead and put your first and last name. Can you do that for me? Perfect. Now, if everyone can just go ahead and pass their papers up to the front. Okay. Thank you. Now, I know we still have about 30 more minutes of class, but you all are dismissed. You can go ahead and go now. Go hang out at the library, get you a little extra snack. Maybe you can get those fries out of the garbage can if you'd like. I wouldn't recommend though, it might have a bug on it. But yeah, you guys have a great rest of your day, and make sure to keep those windows cracked. Just for fresh air purposes. Obviously, everybody needs a little fresh air in their lives. Too much stale air in your homes. Bye-bye.